The spread of COVID-19 continues to decrease in Washington. Local and state health officials told reporters that today, giving us some good news for the fourth week in a row. But the upcoming Labor Day weekend can quickly change that. Maher Kawash shows you the context behind the latest numbers and what they mean for the path forward. Maher.
Just look at these averages. Number of cases over the last 2 weeks reported each day. So each day, as you can see, there have been about 40 to 45 cases reported. But some days we've even seen much lower that, as you can see. And today we just found out there is 61 new cases. Now, Spokane experienced its peak of this pandemic right after the 4th of July, raising concerns with this upcoming Labor Day weekend.
As COVID-19 cases plummet in Spokane County, testing is doing the same. Spokane's top health officer says fewer people are getting tested for the virus compared to last month, and he says it's not a capacity issue.
I can't help but think, however, that since we know many people are asymptomatic, up to 40%, that is a contributing factor.
Despite a drop in testing, Dr. Lutz is optimistic about how many people are actually catching the virus. Last week, about 3,100 people got tested in Spokane, and 7% of them have COVID-19. That number was once as high as 20%.
Which is telling me and telling all of us that the amount of community spread has dropped off pretty significantly.
And other numbers show positive signs too. Spokane County is seeing about 103 cases for every 100,000 people. That number was at 223 1 month ago.
COVID-19 is exquisitely sensitive to behavior change. People have really taken the mask order, for the most part, seriously. And I do believe that's made a significant impact.
Wearing a mask in public has made moving on to phase 3 a reality once again for Spokane. But to get there, the county's rate of cases needs to get closer to 25.
It's going to take a lot of work to get down there, quite honestly.
That's because Spokane has seen its largest rise in cases after holiday weekends. In fact, more than 2,300 people in the county tested positive for COVID-19 between the 5th of July and August 1st. That's why it's important to celebrate this holiday weekend responsibly.
Celebrate cautiously. Celebrate in small groups. Celebrate with people that you know in small groups.
If Spokane can celebrate Labor Day weekend responsibly, then it could really pay off for schools and get students back in classrooms sooner. Tonight at 6, I'll tell you what needs to be done for that to happen. In studio tonight, I'm Maher Kawash, 4 News Now.